You know, because you're so special. Ilalagay ko to sa YouTube, then panoorin mo to. I just want to say happy birthday, enjoy your birthday. Oh my God, you know. You're so young. Hindi ko sinabing matanda ka. Sinabi ko you're so young, you know. So, today is your birthday. Happy birthday. So, ayan. Happy birthday, sister! And yun, wait lang, ay chat GPT ko nga. Hindi. So, ito na. So, stay. Stay. So, ayan. So, more travel, more money, money dust, money kick. So, ayan. So, galingan mo sa work mo, mag-ingat ka palagi. Wherever you go. Hindi, kumanta siya talaga. So, ingatan mo sa work mo. Kailan ka ba aalis? Hindi. So, anong handa mo? Ay, hindi din. So, ayan, I'm so thankful that ba't nag-English? So, I'm so happy. So, ayan, thank you for spoiling me whenever, ever, come back together. Hindi. So, ayan, thank you for the treat, sa mga treat mo sa akin. Kasi ayaw mo akong paggastusin eh. Yes, like kahit DQ lang, ayaw mo pa. But, yeah, babawi ako. When, pag stable ng aking hindi. So, I hope you enjoy your birthday and see you soon. And thank you for ano daw sa pagsama mo sa akin sa mga concert, kahit nasa labas ka, you're waiting me so long, like almost 4 hours like that. But oh my God, you know, your dedication, your strength, your power, your mind. Minention lahat eh. So ayan, happy birthday! Oh my God, tamo, wala ko na nasabi kasi. You know, you're the greatest man. Tinalo mo naman si greatest. Si super greatest. So ayan. So, ayan, happy birthday. Pag nalulungkot ka, just call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. Yeah. So, and then if may mga irarant ka, you know, just call me maybe. So, ayan, wala naman tinong mga di ba? Tapos in-upload ko pa to sa YouTube. Uy, happy birthday to you. Wala si Zoe kasi nasa labas. So, sabi niya happy birthday na lang din daw. Okay, ayan, bye-bye.